Hello everyone, Benelli has taken a bold step in enhancing its adventure bike range with the introduction of the Trk 552 and Trk 552X, designed to replace the existing Trk 502 series. Officially released to dealers in China, the new model features a larger 552cc engine, updated hardware, and potentially upgraded features. Here's what we know about the promising Trk 552 range and what the specs are like. Let's discuss it. The design of the Benelli Trk 552 and Trk 552X retains the essence of the 502, featuring split-LED headlights, a front half with a transparent visor, a grip guard featuring aluminum supports, a split seat, and an upward-facing exhaust. Notable additions include multiple color schemes, providing aesthetic options for riders. While detailed specifications of the Trk 552 range are limited, it is confirmed that the motorcycle will have full LED lighting, a fully digital console, ABS, and the potential for smartphone connectivity. The Benelli Trk 502 is currently equipped with a 500cc two-cylinder liquid-cooled engine that produces maximum power of 46.8 bhp at 8,500 RPM and peak torque of 46 Nm at 6,000 RPM. In contrast, the Trk 552 series uses a more powerful 549cc two-cylinder engine linked to a 6-speed gearbox. The hardware on Benelli's new bike has undergone a change, featuring an adjustable front fork and a monoshock. The braking system consists of dual front discs and a single rear disc with J1 calipers, all connected to spoked wheels fitted with multi-purpose tires. The Trk 552 has arrived at Chinese dealers, but the Italian brand is still committed to the 502 for 2024 in Europe. If the new 552 comes to Europe, it would be a bold move from Benelli, whose Trk 502 has become one of Italy's most popular motorcycles. Indeed, it was the most popular until the Trk 702 came along.